Alright, so Manchester City 1, Arsenal 0. Arsenal 0, Manchester City 1. Really, a really tough game. Honestly, a tough game. First 10 minutes when we conceded that goal. In the first 2 minutes when we conceded that goal, it was quite unfortunate, but Pablo Mari ball watching a series of errors and two in between. There's no Ryan Sterling. Ryan Sterling is basically half the size of both Holding and Mari. So I don't see why that should have happened. Now, the game played on in favor of Manchester City, dominance in possession, and basically suffocating Arsenal for about 30 minutes in the game. Until latter 10 minutes, last 10 to 15 minutes, we kind of get back a bit of control, started to do a few more things that we wanted to do with the ball, and really and truly we didn't get the opportunity to really do much. We got 1 and 2 we created a few good movements, just the final movements. Aubameyang was quite poor, being bullied off the ball quite too often. It's not that dominant performance from Manchester City where I said, okay, they really battered us. It wasn't a battering as I expected, really and truly. But this game, you can see that the quality of players was a vast difference. The quality of players was a vast difference. The reason why the game seemed so close was because of tactical the tactical demands that Mikel Arteta put into the team, and that is one of the reasons why the game was actually that close. But in regards to quality, player quality, they really supersede us, and they have the edge over us in that criteria. Now, we know now that we are really out of favor. We know that our Manchester City team really dominant when they play football, and this Manchester City team is a full-fledged team. Everyone is fit and ready to go in. Gundogan is fit, Kevin De Bruyne is fit, Fernandinho is fit, Aguero was on the bench. So we expected it to be a difficult game, and personally I thought they would have actually perform a bit better than that. They did play well at some point, most of the game, but we held possession of the ball quite well. We didn't get to progress the ball as smoothly as we wanted to, but all in all, it was not that of a bad performance, but we could have gotten something out of this game. They scored an early goal and decided that they wanted to kill the game from then. They weren't forcing the issue that much, but they wanted to kill the game from there. But anyways, it wasn't a good game, and most Arsenal fans, a lot of fans will be saying we need a manager. Plenty of fans will be saying we need a manager, but when you check it out, if you compare quality of player to player on the pitch, Manchester City outweighed us, which means that how the scoreline is so close has to be the tactical insight of the manager. But it could have been better. It's a bad season so far. If we were beating Manchester City today, we would have went ahead of Aston Villa and Tottenham Hotspur, but we didn't. Hopefully we can move on and get going for the next game. Next game we're playing in the Europa League, so you see my preview for that. This has been Military Guna TV. Please hit that like button and also subscribe. If you're this far in the video, please subscribe. Military Guna TV. Guess what? I am out.